everybody, it's Ian the Off-Kilter Crafter. I hope you're having a great day today. Today I'm going to be experimenting with the foil quill and putting foil onto genuine leather. But before we get to today's project, I wanted to take a few minutes and take a look at my personal / work life and show y'all what I got the opportunity to do at the Texas Rangers game last Sunday, or March 31st. So I got to throw out the first pitch, but I had to do it as a dinosaur. I'll let you see what happened.
Today, the Texas Rangers welcome Roxy The Raptor from the Foil Museum to the field. Roxy will go out today circling a first pitch on behalf of Dino Day. Going to the mound with Roxy The Raptor is Roxy's handler from the Foil Museum, Laurel. So when you're ready, fire a strike, Tony Beasley.
So as you can see, dinosaurs are not that great at throwing baseballs, and it was kind of a weird thing, but it's definitely gone viral, and I think that's pretty awesome. So I'm glad I got the opportunity to do that. Anyways, let's get on to our project for April 5th. I can't believe it's already April. Today, by the way, is National Read a Map Day, so go out there and get yourself lost and read your map to find your way home. These holidays are so weird. But anyways, today's project is a bookmark that has the foil, and I'm looking at the camera so that way you can see the foil there. I decided to try, this is more of a test video to see, like, could it happen? You know, most of the time on my channel I show how to put things together. This video is kind of like a test and hopefully get you inspired for ways that you can use the foil quill. I know the package said whenever I opened up the foil quill you can do leather, but I really wanted to put that to the test and see if it would work on genuine 100% real leather and what the results would be. So let's go ahead and check out what it looks like. Today I'm going to be using some of this blue foil quill foil, and I'm also going to be using some real leather. I currently have the nice pretty side down on the mat, because if you put the more rough textured side, you might be able to see it actually pulls, the strong grip mat will actually pull that up, leaving you with a very, very dirty mat and a less sticky mat as well. So always remember, when you're working with real genuine leather, make sure to put it with the smooth or quote-unquote pretty side down, so that way the rougher side doesn't stick to your mat. I have my laptop in front of me because I'm going to be using the Cricut, not rotary blade, the actual like X-Acto knife blade, the Cricut knife blade, for this project. Since it's real leather, I wanted to make sure that I'm cutting all the way through. So I've got it taped down onto my purple mat, which is the strong grip mat, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this into my Cricut Maker to start the cutting process. Once I get this cut in the Maker, I'm then going to take off all the excess. We're gonna flip it over and we're gonna put it into the Cricut, which one is that? The Cricut Air 2, that one, to do the actual foiling with, but we'll stop in between the Maker and the Air 2. I've gone ahead and cut my foil sheet about in half. I have my bookmark placed down. Oh dear. Oh wow. Okay. It happens. Anyways, I have it placed down pretty much where I want it. And now I'm just going to go ahead and tape this down onto my my leather. and we'll see how this all works out. I've already made a little boo-boo there. It's alright. This is the bottom part of the leather. It's not actually going to mark down here, so we're fine there. It's not a big deal. But I will say trying to work with this foil is sometimes a little tedious. Alright, there we go. We have the foil on top of my leather right there, and it's not the best tape job, but it will get the job done for today. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this into my Cricut Air 2 and get it foiled up, and we're going to come back and see the results. I've used my snap mat feature to get this all lined up and put where I want it to. It's going to go right in between my star wheels. It's warning me here that I need to be careful of the star wheels. Luckily enough, my leather fits right in between them, so hopefully we shouldn't have a problem. I did try to line this up as best as I can using that snap mat feature. So we're going to cross our fingers and hope that I did a good job of lining everything up and working it all out. So cross your fingers for me. Guys, I'm very fearful. I don't think this one did so well. It's my mistake. I didn't do a very good job of taping down the foil because the leather sticks up so much from the surface that it's on. I honestly don't think that this one was very successful. The proof will be in the pudding in just a minute whenever I get this foil pulled off, but I'm not holding out a lot of hope for this situation, as I don't think that this was the best project for me to do. We'll find out soon though, once I get this all done. I've also left a lot of foil on this mat. I know that for a fact. I can already see that. It's not a huge deal. Somebody told me that a baby wipe will take that foil off pretty easily, so not a huge thing, but you know, that's the kind of sucky part about this. Alright, let's unveil and see what happens. I'm going to get y'all a little closer so that way you can see, and then we'll do the unveiling. Alright, that's a little closer. Let's see. Oh. Oh my. Okay. That's not bad. I wish I had gotten it a little more centered. It is not 100% centered on this. It's hard to see, I know. There we go. It's not 100% centered on the bookmark, but you know, that's not bad at all. Alright, here's our final product. I'm very impressed. There are a few spots on here, especially on this top image, maybe very hard to see on camera. Let me see if I can, yeah, that's as far as I'm going to be able to zoom in. There are a few spots that look a little, I don't know, a little worse for wear, or I'm not 100% sure what happened. I think those are areas that maybe the Foil Quill went over several times, and so it's leaving like a weird kind of clear residue looking stuff. I don't know exactly what to call it, but anyways, I'm going to take my finger here and just rub across, and that foil's not going anywhere. Yeah, it's really not going anywhere. It is right on that bookmark, and it's gonna stay on that bookmark. That is really cool, and that really excites me. I used the middle-sized quill, so honestly maybe could have used the thinner quill, and I probably should have done a bigger image. Like, I should have expanded this bookmark and made it even bigger. I'm really kind of impressed though, guys. It seems to have worked pretty well with this. So does the foil quill work on leather? The answer would be yes. So as you can see, this foil quill keeps surprising me at every turn, and I just love what all it's able to do. And again, this was a small project to kind of test it out, and now that I've done it, I know that probably smaller images are not the best. I really should probably do bigger. This is about 1.5 inches big, so probably if I did an image that was maybe less detailed and a little bigger, that might help make the results a little bit better, but it still worked really well. As you can see, like, I'm still very impressed with it. And if you were giving this as a gift, I think your recipient would love it. But the Foil Quill, I mean, it's pretty awesome. So I hope you liked today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let YouTube know that you liked my video, and then hopefully YouTube will share it across YouTube land. Also, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and maybe I'll show you more crazy stuff that happens for work. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so that way you get updated every time I go live or post a new video right here on YouTube. You can also get social with me over on my social media links. Those are listed down in the description below. Go check those out. I've been very active on Instagram. I said that weird, but I've been active on Instagram. Go check it out. I hope everybody has a great day. And remember, guys, normal is just a setting on the dryer, and I pretty much prove that every day. Bye!